This headlamp is called Smile. Accordingly, you can use it. Think about it and always be positive. This headlamp has a number of significant advantages. For example, one of them is a powerful red light, which has no analogs on the market at all. That is, in general, this headlamp has the most powerful red light that you can find in headlamps. You may ask, why do we need this red light if there is a standard white light? Friends, I am explaining to you the advantages of the red light. First, the red light does not affect the eyes. In the dark you will look into this light and see everything around you. Besides, you won't squint. It's convenient. It is comfortable if you need to do some tasks for work. Also, the red light itself is not attractive to insects, mosquitoes, and midges. The red light does not scare away either animals or fish. Therefore, this is also a very important argument for fishing and hunting. This headlamp also knows how to memorize modes. It is shockproof, moisture-resistant, and it can also be magnetized to metal surfaces. The headlamp itself, let's say, has directional and diffuse light. And so powerful. Now I'm going to show you, so you can see what it looks like in the dark. As you can see, it's the very small headlamp, but it illuminated the room very, very strongly. The brightness of white light in different modes can be 50 lumens, 250 lumens, 570 lumens, and 1100 lumens. And, accordingly, the duration of white light in different modes will be from 4-5 hours to as much as 46 hours. If we talk about the brightness of red light, then there are available 20 lumens, 35 lumens, 70 lumens, and 140 lumens. And the maximum operating time will be 30 hours. This box will serve wonderfully for transportation and storing this headlamp. Let's open it up and I'll show you all this now. Look at how beautiful it is. And in conclusion, I will say that this headlamp was specially designed for outdoor activities for tourism, fishermen, hunters, in the military.